Welcome to the wonderful world of one block. Last time we made it across to that whatever. Now we are just trying to find what to do next. I think we will make this our jumping point for some reason. Maybe try to go there. I think it should be a goal. It's a logical next step to go there. Oh. Just gonna arm ourselves with stuff. How much do we have? Not a lot. We do have a pickaxe, so we are kinda safe if we go anywhere. We can just mine. It'd be great to have another pickaxe, we all admit that. But we get what we will get. Oh, how many was that? What was that? Something crazy. Lot of apples. How do you like them apples? Okay, let's just look around for a little bit. I think this is a logical next step. This one could be fun as well. This one looks like awesome. We'll maybe make this jumping point to that. So let's just go to that place. Whoa. Okay, let's just go. Haha. I think we'll just need to find a way down there before first hand. Took a weird bird way here, we will admit that. Hehe. Like this. This could be a fun jumping point. Okay, now we're just gonna make a simple line. Our goal is to explore everything we can find. How close are we? I can see it a little bit better, but not there yet, but kinda getting there. How close are we now? Alright, we are very close. If we don't have enough, we'll go back to that place and we will mine. Oh, that one looks super cool over there. Our goal is to see all places. Maybe even one place that has just a tree, we will be there. We'll see it. I think we need to go back and mine after a little bit. Oh, so close. Let's hope there is something fun over there. But we need to be aware. Do we have any weapons? No. A bone, we could use that to hit somebody. Gotta use what you can get in these games, I guess. Just get the green stuff, it's easy to get. Easy to get this stuff. Doesn't hurt our pickers at all. Let's just get 50 or something. How many? Yes. Hahaha. This is fun. Let's get more. Okay, no, let's just go. I think we have enough right now. Woo! This is so much fun. We recommend 1 block. I know a lot of people have done 1 block videos, but they're not as funny as we are. Yes. Subscribe. Subscribe if you think we will survive this part. Like if you think we won't. All right. Okay. What is going on? I don't like spider web. Can we get around it? I don't know, maybe. Maybe. I like the sound here. Sound here is no fun. Okay, getting rid of spider web is not easy. We just admit that right now. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Okay. Now we just need to hope our pickaxe will hold. That's the only thing I'm afraid of at this point. Pickaxe won't hold. Hehehe. Oh, damn it. Wait. Yes. Let's get it. This could be useful. Okay. Now we kinda need to get back. And I will tell you why. Because if we can get this back into our chest back home, we can do a lot of things. We can do a lot of things with it. Really hoping there will be a chest here or something cool. No chest. Oh, there is chest. Damn it. Not going great. What? Nice, I have an ender. We can use that. Hopefully. Healing potion, nice. Ooh, diamond boots. Why do we need this? For a horse, maybe? Okay. Ah, damn it. Okay, why? Okay, let's go up. Damn it. Okay. Where did we come from? Okay. If we can get this crafting table back to our place, everything will be much more simpler here on out. We can make weapons. We can do a lot of things with it. No, just to have to make it home. Haha. Damn it. It'll be smoother. Oh, oh, all right. What is that? Oh no, there's a creeper in our midst. That is not good. What is that? Is it a creeper? It's a creeper that will ruin everything for us. Oh, it isn't a creeper. That's better. Is it a creeper? I don't know, man. I think it could be a creeper. There's a lot of skeletons. What is going on? Oh no. Okay. Are we gonna try it? Let's try to get around them. It's a pretty good move. Oh no. It was a good move in our head. But here we are. Lost our crafting table and everything. This is crazy, man. Okay, right back at the beginning. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, wow. Yes. Okay, we're not gonna waste our pickaxe. We're just gonna hit it with our helmet. Okay, we had everything in our garage. Crafting table, everything. Now I'm thinking we want to go to that place. Ah, maybe. Ah, that was not a good move. Let's go to that place. Okay, the best thing about it, when we lay blocks, they won't disappear. So even if we fall down, we still have every block available. Only thing we need to watch out is for creepers, apparently. They could ruin things for us very fast. Was that TNT? Nice. Okay. It's gonna hurt to have better protection. Woohoo! What is that? Alright, let's see how far we can go now. Oh, slime. Damn it. Would much rather want to get blocks than apples. Can get a lot of apples from this, apparently. Yes! Trying to sneak up on us. Not a good idea for you, zombie. How close are we? We are pretty close. Woo! Spider coming, alright. Come on, spider. Spidey. Okay. I think that was a great move on our part. Fun to know where they all come from, these maps. I guess they spawn randomly, I don't know. But it would be fun to know. I wish we had a crafting table right now. We could make so many things. What was that? Alright, okay. Huh. Okay. Let's get more stuff. Let's go over there. Okay, so already we have made a path to this, to that. Now we're doing a path to this. And then maybe this. There's a lot of possibilities. Lot. And so far, a lot of letdowns. Except for the iron ender in one chest, but we lost it. Kind of fun to have. Okay, just get a lot of stuff and go. A lot of apples. What was that? So nice. Woo! How many apples does one person need? Okay, now we have to have enough to get there. 35 of these, yes, I think we can get there. Haha. Woo! Okay, what fun will we find there? Woo! Oh, it looks like a fun place, you'll admit that. Kinda like a temple or something. Okay, we're excited, let's go. Tell me we have enough stuff. Oh, what kind of egg is that? Let's check it out. Let's try to get that and let's check out the egg. Tell me we have enough to get it, come on. Yes! Let's check our egg a little bit. Or is it just an egg to eat? Oh no. What's that sound? Okay, let's not jump into anything. Let's look around. What sound is there? Is there a bird? Oh, did we just hatch a bird? I don't know. I want to see. Where is our bird? Let's just go. Whoa. Okay. Oh, nice. Cheers. What? Why? I'm not gonna ask any question. A pig. Hello, little piggy. Okay, this is awesome. What? Okay. Okay, we are not getting this dirt video. What? No. Stone? Yeah, alright, stone. Okay. Let's look around us. Where to go next? Seems like a lonely place. Oh, we did have some bird. Hello, little birdie. Oh, how freaking cute is that? Love it. Hello, bird. Woo. Oh, no. Okay, but we did make our goal. That was a very rookie move on our part, you'll admit that. But we did it. We made it to 2 places this time. And we were only gonna do 1. We want to thank you for watching. We will go. Next time we'll go to that place. And maybe check out that place. I don't know. We want to thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Press the like button. We'll see you again next week in another One Block adventure. Woohoo! Love it. Love it, love it, love it.